time for exact notes. It's just exact notes. Music rocks. Yeah.
Hello and welcome to Measure 1 and 2 of Hot Cross Buns. We've got a lot to do, so let's get started. I'm going to start with a dry erase marker. Find a dry erase marker or something similar. And we're going to draw the letters right on the keys. What we need to find is a pair of 2 black keys, not 3 black keys like these. And we're going to find 2 black keys in the middle of our piano or keyboard. And right before the first black key, I'm going to write the letter C. And I'm going to put it kind of in the middle or upper part of the key. And then, after the letter C, comes the letter D. And what letter comes after D? A, B, C, D, E is the right answer. And there's the letter E. Now, the first note of Hot Cross Buns is going to be E. But you'll see a yellow line on our paper. If you look at the very top of our piece of music, there's going to be a yellow line that's drawn across, and it's going to go this direction, and it's going to be on the letter C. So I also need to find 2 black keys down here and draw the letter C. If you're very young, have a grown-up help you with this. If you're older, then you can do this on your own, but make sure to use a dry erase marker or a wet erase marker. Now, the first note is E at the same time as C. So I'm going to take one finger on each hand and press down on C at the same time as E, and then play them together and count to 2. We're going to go 1, 2, like that. Got it? Try one more time. C and E. 1, 2. So if you look at the paper, you'll see that there's the letter C, and then there's a down arrow or a little triangle underneath it, and that means that we add an extra beat. And that's why we count to 2. So let's try one more time, and we'll go 1, 2, like that. And then this hand is going to move down to D and play it again. 1, 2, and that's all of measure 1. So all of measure 1 from the beginning, I'm going to start, and I'm going to hold down C the whole time now. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Or if you want to, you can say 1, 2, 1, 2. And that's all of measure 1. Now if that's tricky, just start with this and get 1, 2, 3, 4. And then let's go on to measure 2. This is going to be even easier. We're going to press both C's at the same time and just count to 4 and hold them down the whole time. Ready? We can even try this together if you're ready. So when we play something together, we have to do a count off. And I'll say something like 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we play together, like that. Okay, so let's do it together for real this time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. Like that. Let's try it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is measure 1 and 2 of Hot Cross Buns. That's all we're going to do today. So just use one finger on each hand and play it nice and slowly. And if you got it, then take a break. You're done for today. And tomorrow we're going to learn measures 3 and 4. And this is me trying to say good job. I wish I could peek my head into the camera. Hello. Good job. Okay, great. If you have any questions or need help, put it in the comments. Or give me a call or send me a text message or whatever you like to do, just to make sure everybody understands. Good job.